Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Instructions. Step 1. Add 2 cups flour to a large bowl. Step 2. Mix 1/4 cup of oil with 1 tsp candy food coloring. Stir. Step 3. Add the colored oil to the flour. Stir to combine. Step 4. Knead the dough with your hands to fully distribute color and oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
Start off with a little conditioner or shampoo in the bowl. Mix in some flour or cornstarch and start folding the 2 ingredients together. Add in the food coloring of your choice. Keep mixing, rolling, and experimenting with the flour and conditioner until the dough comes together.
Take our lead.
My favorite thing about cloud dough is how many variations the recipe allows for. By adding 1 cup of baking soda to the mixture, you now have bubbling cloud dough. Mold the dough with your hands and then add a few drops of vinegar and watch your creations fizzle.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions. Add 1/2 cup of lotion to a bowl. Mix the lotion and food coloring until combined. Add 1 cup of cornstarch and mix. Mix until combined. Then take out the dough and place on some wax paper.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.